Hey guys, welcome into the shop. Today I'm talking about PPE gear, and as you can see I've got everything on, but I can't really see and I can't really breathe that good. So take off these headphones, take off the face shield for a minute, safety glasses. Alright, so what I've got here is my Honeywell respirator system with the big filters, and it's worked great. One thing I don't like is that it really pinches off my nose, and it just closes off my nose. So by the time I'm done using it, my nose is all stuffed up and I'm uncomfortable. Plus, it doesn't fit under my face shield. There's not enough room in there. Recently, this company reached out to me and asked if I would try and review this mask. So this is the first time I'm looking at just pulling it out of the bag, and I'm gonna try to use it and see how this works. But right away, it's got smaller vents on it for the air to come out. It has a replaceable breathing filter, and in the bag you've got a whole bag of them. These are carbon filters too, so they should take some smells out maybe. There's another mask, so you get two masks, a bunch of filter replacements, and then also, I don't know if any of you have flown recently, but you cannot fly with these type vents, the exhaust vents. They want you to have closed vents. So they even put in caps that close off the exhaust vents, so you would be breathing just through the mask for airport and flying. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna work on this. This is Black Locust. I'm gonna work on this Black Locust bowl set that I'm working on, and just see how comfortable it is. I'm gonna see if it keeps the dust out, and then I'll tell you how you can get them, and all that good stuff. So stick with us and see what happens. All right, so it has ear loops, and then xoxo in the back. And then this part you can push down to close around your nose. It does have this extra strap, not sure what that's for, but initially it's fairly comfortable. It's like it could be a little bit higher, but I might be able to loosen this up a little bit. Yeah. All right, it's pretty comfortable. It's not touching my mouth, so it's easy to breathe in, breathe out. It doesn't seem to be really hot yet, but let's try it. I always wear safety glasses, even if I have my face shield on, just for that extra, in case something goes through the face shield. So I'll try that. I'll tell you right now already, it's a lot better with the face shield than this guy, because I can actually use it. Before I could not use both at the same time, so I would either wear the face shield or the respirator. All right, let's make some dust. I'll tell you one thing I like already is that I don't know if you've ever turned black locust, but it doesn't smell great. And I can't smell this wood while I'm turning it, so that's really a good thing. So, I guess initial thoughts. Again, I haven't been wearing it all day, just for a little bit. But initially, I think this is something I could wear for a while. It feels a little bit tight on my nose, like it could be a little bit bigger, and that could be just the shape of my nose. And I know they do ask for measurements. There's a certain fit. So it does say one size fits most. I need some glasses. Dark blue printing on black, I would recommend change that to white. If you've got a big face or a little face, it may not fit right, but probably for most people it would work. But it is comfortable. It's less weighty than this one. This one seemed to just pull down, like it was very heavy, and to look over you really have less visibility. I can only see to about here if this is on, and with this one I can see way, you know, everything. So visibility is huge. I always felt like I couldn't see enough with this one. I was looking over it or walking with my head down so I didn't trip on something. Also with the face shield, this one fits under the face shield. I don't have to worry about it. I can talk with this one if I'm doing videos. With the other one, it sounds really funny and muted. So that's a big deal. Not that I talk a lot in my videos, but I do some. And it doesn't feel hot. Like I could wear this to Walmart. I could wear it down here in the shop, just wherever, whatever I'm doing. So I think this is a decent mask. I haven't tried that many, but I like it. I really do like it. Again, it feels like it's a little bit short because it really comes up under the chin. So maybe I can, if I could pull the ears up a little bit. I'll have to look into it and see if there's something, because these are pretty loose. Maybe there's something else that strap is for. There is this extra card in there that says, upgrade the comfort of your mask AEB system. Please use this adjustable elastic band to transfer the pressure of your ears if needed. So I'm gonna try that, and maybe I can lift it up off of my nose a little bit. Maybe I have a sensitive nose. All right, you know what? That's actually better. It's lifting it up a little bit more, because it wasn't really on my ears anyway with the rest of the stuff. I'm looking into the viewfinder. I like it. Good mask. Link is in the description, so look down in the description, check that out, and give it a try. I think it's a good mask. It's comfortable, and I don't even smell the wood. I'm definitely going to try it out in the next couple weeks. But again, this is a company called Basecamp. Link will be in the description. Definitely check them out. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe, like the video, share it if you know somebody that does woodworking. This is definitely a good mask. It's not terribly expensive. It's not as expensive as my Honeywell mask was, so, you know, share this video. It really helps out the channel. So thanks a lot, guys.